Over at the Tonkinese house, it's been 2 weeks since first-time mom Princess took over. And she's finally got the hang of caring for the double dose of kittens. As far as she's concerned, they're all her babies. Meanwhile, Queenie's cold is better, but she's gotten very attached to her fancy couch and all the quiet time. Eager Mom Princess is quite happy where she is, and she couldn't go anywhere if she wanted to. Now, with only one babysitter on duty, Cookie and Muffin get up to no good in the best way possible. Boys will be boys. A little soccer. Then some boxing. This climbing through walls stuff gives the boys an idea. The kittens haven't seen Queenie in weeks. It seems like they wonder where she is. Cookie and Muffin do some investigation and discover a secret passageway, a kitten-sized crack in the wall between Princess and Queenie. Maybe they know someone special is on the other side, so they set out for a visit. This is gonna be good.